how to find your Revolut sort code and account number. Here's how to quickly find your sort code and account number inside the Revolut app, especially if you're in the UK or receiving GBP payments. Step 1. Open the Revolut app and go to the Accounts tab at the bottom. Step 2. Tap on your GBP currency accounts. If you don't see it, tap the currency selector and choose GBP. Step 3. Tap Details under the account name. You'll see a section called Local Account Details. Step 4. Your sort code and account number will be listed here. These are what you need for UK bank transfers. Step 5. You can also tap Add Money, then Bank Transfer to view the same info if needed for incoming payments. This works for personal accounts and gives you everything needed to receive money in GBP. Just a quick tip, a sort code is a 6-digit number that identifies your bank and branch in the UK, like a routing number. An account number, on the other hand, is unique to your personal bank account. Think of the sort code as the bank's address and the account number as your room number inside that bank. I hope this video helped you. If it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you've got a question, just drop it in the comments.